Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the frame and preparing your netting because a stable shape controls tension and durability. Cut a hoop from PVC or a wooden circle to the desired diameter. A 1824 hoop works for general use. Lay out the netting flat and mark the center, then measure and trim with 10–20% extra for knots. Thread a netting needle with twine and attach it to the frame at a secure point. This first loop sets the rhythm for uniform meshes. Once the frame is anchored, you continue by creating the net body with consistent knots. Make a starter row of half-hitch knots spaced to match your mesh size, then work outward using the netting needle to pull twine through and form diamonds. Keep tension steady so meshes are uniform. Periodically measure depth and width to hit your planned dimensions. If you need more depth, add additional rows following the same knot pattern. Make sure to offset knots every other row for structural strength. To finish, you close the net and add fittings so it functions properly. Braid a selvage or whip a rope around the outermost row to distribute load. This prevents pull-through when fish struggle. Attach floats or sinkers spaced evenly and secure a handle or lead line for retrieval. Test in shallow water to check shape and buoyancy, and if knots slip or holes appear, stop and retie the affected meshes using the same knot pattern. This quick repair restores strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.